In this video, I will give you an overview of Supplier Quality System Audit and Quality System Audit or QSA checklist. By the end of this video, you will learn the importance of Quality System Audit and what are the elements in the Quality System Audit checklist. Do we still need a Quality System Audit when supplier is already certified under quality management systems such as ISO 9000? This is the usual questions that I have been asked by both suppliers and the management of the company I serve. Do watch this video till the end to find out. Let's have an overview of the quality system audit on the 4 Ws and 1 H. It is a broad view of a quality management system of the suppliers either at the corporate level or at the site level that you're auditing. The why is that we want to ensure that all parts or all elements of the quality management systems, which is used as a baseline, is in place and functioning together as a system at the supplier site. And the when is the best time to conduct quality system audit? Of course, it will be that when you start to select the suppliers or during is part of the supplier selection process that we have gone through in the performing the audit. That will be the best time to go through the supplier's quality management system in details, and it can be repeated every 2 years as a recommendation. You could even do it more often, depends on the supplier's performance. Next, we shall look at who should conduct the audit. Normally, it's the organization's supplier quality engineers or managers that plans and conduct the audit with other experts such as procurement team. And sometimes it could be only the supplier quality engineering personnel that conducts the audit due to the budget constraint. And how big is the audit? So it will take about 2 to 3 days. Normally, the audit checklist should consist of more than 200 questions, which cover the elements of the quality management system. Let's look at the quality system audit checklist in details, which is an objective audit assessment tools, and it can be used to assess suppliers' quality systems against quality systems requirements from the customers. Normally, it's based on international quality management systems for different industries, such as ISO 9000 will be for most products and services, especially consumer products. AS 9100 is used in aerospace. TL 9000 is a quality management system that is used in telecommunication. So please do share with me what quality management systems that you are using. Perhaps it's something new that I can learn from you as well. And how to use that. Normally, supplier quality engineers or managers may review every questions or the criteria listed in the checklist. We'll go through the checklist in detail afterwards. The questions, or alternatively, the supplier quality engineers may choose to focus on those questions at a high level or those questions that suppliers awarded themselves with a score of 1, and they will reason out with the suppliers why they deserve a 1. Remember, we have over 200 questions. It will be very tedious to sort of question the suppliers one by one. Therefore, it is important for you to know the proper auditing skills in order to conduct an effective audit. You can learn the best auditing skills on how to conduct an audit with checklists in my effective supplier quality audit course. Do check out the link below. A quality audit checklist or QSA checklist will capture all the essential elements in the quality management system, which could consist of the quality system itself, contract review, the design control, document control, how they control the documents, supplier quality control to control the purchase part or the incoming parts, the product traceability and identification, the process control to manufacture the parts itself, inspection and test status of a product, the calibration of the equipment used to measure the product characteristics, the non-conforming product control, which is your corrective action and also preventive action, handling, packaging, storage, and delivery of both materials and also finished goods, the quality records to prove that the ISO system or the management system has been carried out accordingly, and it could include field service if your parts needs servicing in the field. You can adjust the element according to your industry's quality management systems requirements, such as AS 9000 for aerospace or ISO 9000 for most of the general electronics industries. A quality system audit or QSA checklist should consist of a series of questions related to the quality system elements to ensure that manufacturers meets the intended purpose of the elements per this example here. You can get a copy of this QSA checklist in my course on effective supplier quality audit. If you have an interest to learn more on supplier quality audit and how to conduct supplier quality audit effectively, do enroll in my course on effective supplier quality audit at Udemy, which is designed for quality engineers who are involved in supplier quality audit. You will learn how to conduct supplier quality audit using a 4-steps approach and ability to identify suppliers' gaps in achieving quality goals, and also all the secret techniques I have used in my career to identify gaps in suppliers' manufacturing process. This course also comes with templates and also audit checklists such as quality process audit checklist and quality system audit checklist. You can email me or reach me through my linking connection to get a special rate. In this slide, I'm going to walk you through the type of audit. Audits actually can be classified by who does the audit and what is to be audited. So, first party audit is actually done by an internal auditors to ensure that the company meets its quality management system. And the second party audit is customers audit or suppliers audit. To you, it's a suppliers audit, and to the suppliers, it is a customers audit. And finally, the third party, which is a certification audit. Among the three, the most challenging one should be the second party audit, which has a big impact on business for both suppliers and customers. So, in the second party audit, what is to be audited? It could be the manufacturing process, the supplier's quality management systems, and also the product audit itself, or the mostly is conducting inspection on the product itself. It is important to conduct a quality system audit or QSA on suppliers, even though supplier has been already been quality management system or ISO certified. The perspective of conducting the audit is different for the second party and the third party certification audit. Customers will audit suppliers to ensure that suppliers' QMS capability to supply consistently good quality parts to the customer's organization will focus on the specific parts purchase. However, the third-party audit is more general on focusing on the whole organization's compliance to the quality management system. I hope that you have gained more understanding on supplier quality system audit in this video. Do leave me a comment if you plan any quality system audit on your suppliers in the future. Remember to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching. Hope to see you in my effective supplier quality audit course.